my local Airstream friends, I know you got to be wondering what's going on here. Well, let me just tell you. You know, I see more vitriol and more hate and more superior attitudes on discussion boards about tow vehicles than I see about Airstream trailers. I just do. I mean, that's what I see. People always talking stuff about their own tow vehicles, what this and that and the other. It's just a topic to keep from working on your Airstream most of the time. So, this is my tow vehicle. As long as it shall run. This is a 2005 Toyota Forerunner 4.7 liter Forerunner. Rated at 7,800 pounds towing, but my suspension is shot. It's got 300,000 miles on it. It's done, okay? It is done done. So, let me go grab some of the pieces and parts and show you how I'm building back better on my tow vehicle for my Airstream. Right there, vintage Safari 1970 Airstream. Let me go grab some parts and I'll show you what I'm doing to build this Forerunner back better. And it has a lot to do with getting rid of that old factory suspension, the X-ray ass suspension on here. Let me go grab some stuff and I'll show you. All right, guys, so here we go. Let me show you what's going on here. First things first, I'm doing the rear end first. But let me tell you why I chose, it's called ARB, but apparently OME and ARB are one company now. Back when I was building on Toyota Land Cruiser, I had 84 FJ60 Land Cruiser with a 350 V8 Chevrolet engine in it. I built it ground up with Old Man Emu, and that's good stuff. Greasable, shackles, all kinds of greatness. Really love that vehicle. That's another story for another time. You old men will understand out there. That one vehicle that got away, that's my 84 FJ60. Anyway, I'm going to do the front springs. The front end is much worse, more annoying than the back end. So for now, all I'm going to do is put Bilstein, not Bilstein. People on the internet, Bilstein. Bilstein's on the back. Leave the coil springs the same. They're easy to replace when the time comes. I'll replace those with heavier duty springs made for weight, and then I will be done with the rear. That's pretty easy. Getting this stuff off, this X-ray off is pretty unfun. So the front end is the place that's got all the trouble. It's terrible shape, but I decided to go Bilstein front. Bilstein, not Bilstein. Front adjustables. So this pin adjusts the height of your front lift, and I'm going to lift it up about 3 notches, I think. But that's not all for the front, because the front end is gone. Of course, I have to replace all the front end, upper and lower control arms, all the ball joints, all the joints that are there will be replaced. This baby's shaking around like a hooker on meth, people. So I have got to replace these parts. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I thought I'd let you Airstreamers, you local people out there, see how local I really am for doing this myself. Man, it's a mess. It is a total mess. But I got the first one off, and it was a beast. Now I know what to do on the other side. Hopefully, say a prayer for me, this thing won't fall on me. But I do take safety precautions, and so should you. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. LoCo Airstreamer and tow vehicles. How about that?